With this secret tip, you can always know the right article for a word in German. No exceptions. Chen and lein are diminutive endings in German. We call it Verniedlichung, which literally means cutification. Anyway, when a noun has these endings, it's always a neutral word. So even if the original word had a different ending, once you make it cute, it turns into a neutral word. Let's look at some examples. When we make a word cute, we add the right ending, chen or lein. Then we add an umlaut. Those are the dots on top of a, u or o. So Hund becomes Hündchen. Note that chen is the more common and modern way to cutify a word. Lein is used in case that chen makes it harder to pronounce the word. For example, Fräuchen or Buchchen sound clunky and are more difficult to say than Fräulein and Büchlein. Let's try a quick quiz. How would you make these words cute? For the first, you could either use chen or lein, as you can see. Bach becomes Bächlein and Glas becomes Gläschen. You'll see these endings everywhere, on signs, in books, even in conversations. Start training your brain to spot them and say das automatically. Now, should you make all words cute so that you never have to guess the German articles anymore? I would advise against it, because I have something better for you. Do you want to learn all the German word patterns like this one and stop guessing articles forever? I explain them clearly and quickly in my course on Udemy. Links in the description, check it out. Leave a comment with the German word you've cutified. So remember, if it ends in chen or lein, it's always das, and you can turn any word into a diminutive. No exceptions, easy win.